Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, let's embark on a journey to transform your home into a haven of peace and order. We'll explore simple, yet effective ways to declutter and organize, bringing a sense of calm and joy to your everyday life. When we let go of clutter, we create space for what truly sparks joy. Imagine walking into a room where everything has its place, where surfaces are clear and a sense of tranquility washes over you. This, my friends, is the magic of a clutter-free environment. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that supports your well-being and allows you to breathe a little easier. So, are you ready to experience the transformative power of tidying? Let's begin. Starting any new endeavor can feel overwhelming, especially when faced with a mountain of belongings. Remember, tidying is not a race, it's a journey. Focus on one room at a time. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming a single space. Perhaps start with your bedroom, a sanctuary for rest. Decluttering one room brings a sense of accomplishment. Connect with your belongings. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, find it a space. If not, thank it and let it go. Enjoy creating a serene space, one room at a time. Now let's talk about maximizing visibility, a key element in maintaining an organized home. Clear storage bins are like windows to your belongings, allowing you to see everything at a glance. No more rummaging through opaque containers, unsure of what lies within. Imagine opening a drawer to find rows of clear bins, each housing a specific category of items. Scarves neatly folded in one, electronic accessories organized in another. This visual clarity not only saves time, but also brings a sense of peace to your space. Choose bins of various sizes to accommodate different items and maximize shelf space. Smaller bins are perfect for drawer organization, while larger ones can house seasonal clothing or extra linens. As you fill each bin, take a moment to appreciate the order you're creating. The simple act of placing items in their designated containers, visible and accessible, can spark a surprising amount of joy. Remember, a clutter-free home is not about perfection. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being and brings a sense of calm to your everyday life. Have you ever spent precious minutes, maybe even hours, searching for a specific item? Labels, my friends, are the secret weapon against such time-wasting endeavors. They bring clarity and order to your belongings, transforming chaos into calm. Imagine opening a drawer and instantly finding the exact item you need, all thanks to a clearly labeled divider. Labeling not only saves time but also eliminates decision fatigue. When everything has a designated place, your mind is free to focus on more important things. Get creative with your labeling. Use decorative tags, colorful washi tape, or even a simple marker and paper. The key is to choose a method that sparks joy for you and complements your organizational style. Labeling is especially helpful for storage bins and containers. Clearly mark each bin with its contents, whether it's winter accessories, craft supplies, or important documents. This simple step will make a world of difference in maintaining an organized and efficient home. In the quest for an organized home, it's time to think beyond traditional storage solutions and embrace the often overlooked potential of vertical space. Our walls and doors offer a blank canvas for creative organization, maximizing storage without sacrificing precious floor area. Imagine sleek shelves adorning your walls, showcasing your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. Utilize the back of doors with hanging organizers, perfect for shoes, accessories, or cleaning supplies. In the kitchen, install a pegboard to keep frequently used utensils within easy reach. Vertical storage not only optimizes space but also adds visual interest to your home. Embrace the art of verticality and you'll be amazed at how much more spacious and organized your home will feel. We all have that one spot in our homes, a chair, a counter, a corner, that seems to attract clutter like a magnet. Keys, mail, bags, and random items tend to pile up. To combat this, create a designated drop zone. Imagine walking through the door, and instead of tossing your belongings, you have a spot for everything. Keys on a hook, mail in a tray, and bags on a hook or shelf. This reduces visual clutter and streamlines your routine. Choose a location near your entryway and add elements that spark joy, like a small plant. Remember, a clutter-free home supports your well-being and brings calm to your life. Let's talk about drawers. Those often overlooked spaces that have a tendency to descend into chaos. Fear not, for drawer dividers are here to transform your drawers from jumbled messes to havens of order. Imagine opening a drawer to find socks neatly nestled in their designated compartments, underwear folded and organized, and t-shirts readily accessible. Drawer dividers maximize space and ensure that every item has its designated place. You can find drawer dividers in various materials, from bamboo to acrylic to fabric. Choose dividers that spark joy and complement your organizational style. Experiment with different configurations to find the perfect layout for your belongings. The beauty of drawer dividers lies in their simplicity and versatility. They can be used in any room of the house, from the bedroom to the bathroom to the kitchen. Embrace the power of drawer dividers and you'll be amazed at the transformation they bring to your home. Now let's address the heart of tidying, letting go of what no longer serves us. Holding on to items we don't use or love creates clutter and weighs us down. It's time to embrace the liberating act of purging unused items. As you go through your belongings, ask yourself, does this spark joy? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go with gratitude. Thank the item for its service and release it from your life. Remember, decluttering is not about deprivation. It's about making space for what truly matters. Donate items in good condition to charities where they can find a new purpose. Recycle or responsibly discard items that are no longer usable. Letting go can be challenging, especially for items with sentimental value. If you're struggling to part with something, ask yourself if it sparks more joy than the feeling of being weighed down by clutter. Trust your intuition and choose what brings you the most happiness. In today's technology-driven world, it's easy to find ourselves entangled in a web of cords and cables. But fear not, for even the most daunting cord jungle can be tamed with a few simple strategies. Start by identifying each cord and its corresponding device. Label them clearly using masking tape and a marker. This will save you from the frustration of unplugging the wrong thing. Next, invest in some cable ties or Velcro straps to bundle cords together neatly. Use color-coded ties to differentiate between different types of cords, such as power cords, audio cables, and USB cables. For a more permanent solution, consider using cable clips or organizers to keep cords neatly routed along walls or furniture. These come in various shapes and sizes to accommodate different needs. Taming your cord jungle not only improves the aesthetics of your space, but also eliminates safety hazards and makes it easier to clean. Congratulations on coming this far in your tidying journey. Now let's discuss how to maintain this newfound sense of order with a simple yet effective cleaning schedule. Remember, consistency is key. Start by dividing your home into manageable zones. For example, you might have a kitchen zone, a bathroom zone, and a living area zone. Assign specific cleaning tasks to each day of the week. For instance, Monday could be kitchen day, where you wipe down counters, clean the stovetop, and mop the floor. Tuesday could be bathroom day, and so on. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of tackling a deep clean of the entire bathroom, focus on one area, such as the shower or the toilet, each day. Don't be afraid to adjust your cleaning schedule as needed to fit your lifestyle and preferences. The most important thing is to create a routine that works for you and helps you maintain a clean and organized home. In our final chapter, let's explore the ingenuity of multifunctional furniture, a game changer for small spaces or anyone looking to maximize their home's potential. These versatile pieces serve multiple purposes, offering both functionality and style. Imagine a sleek ottoman that doubles as a storage chest, concealing blankets or extra pillows. Or a coffee table that lifts to reveal a hidden workspace, perfect for those who work from home. Consider a sofa bed that transforms into a comfortable guest bed when needed, maximizing space in smaller living areas. Wall-mounted desks that fold down when not in use are ideal for creating a dedicated workspace without sacrificing precious floor area. When choosing multifunctional furniture, prioritize quality and durability. These pieces should be built to withstand regular use and seamlessly transition between their various functions. As we conclude our journey through these 10 simple yet effective home organization hacks, I hope you feel empowered to create a space that sparks joy and tranquility in your life. Remember, tidying is not about perfection, it's about progress. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 hacks that resonate with you the most. Gradually implement more tips as you become comfortable, creating a personalized organizational system that suits your lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your friends and family who might also benefit from a little tidying inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on creating a joyful and fulfilling life. Until next time, happy tidying!